In today's lecture, we're going to work out some problems based on logarithm. So this is worked out problems number 2. So we begin with 4 problems, and each of them we need to determine the value of x. So let's begin with the first problem. So we have logarithm of x to the base of 2 is equals to 3. So here we need to determine the value of x. For this, we're going to use the definition. So here we start with the base, which is 2, raise it to 3, and that should be equals to x. Now, 2 raised to the power of 3 is 2 multiplied to itself 2 times, so that should give us 8. So we can say that the value of x is equals to 8. So here we have x equals to 8. Let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 2. So here we have log of x to the base of 9 equals to 2.5. So if we rewrite it in the exponential form, so we will have x will be equals to 9 raised to the power of 2.5. Now 9 can be rewritten as 3 squared, which will give us 3 squared whole raised to the power of 2.5. Now using the laws of exponents, so we'll simply have 2 multiplied to 2.5, so that should give us 5. Yeah? So 3 raised to the power of 5, so that should give us 243. So this is going to be the value of x. Let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 3. So here we have logarithm of x to the base of 81, and that is equals to 3 over 2. So we use the definition, and that should give us x equals to 81 whole raised to the power of 3 over 2. Now 81, it's simply 3 multiplied to itself 4 times, so we have 3 raised to the power of 4. So instead of 81, we're going to rewrite it as 3 raised to the power of 4 whole raised to the power of 3 over 2. From our laws of exponents, the exponents will get multiplied, so we have 3 raised to the power of 4 times 3 over 2. Now 4 times 3 will be 12, so 12 divided by 2 will be 6, so that will give us 3 raised to the power of 6. And 3 raised to the power of 6 is 729. So the value of x will be 729. Let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 4. We have log of x to the base of square root of 2, and that is equals to 4. So again, we use the definition. So we have x, so that will be equals to square root of 2 whole raised to the power of 2. Now square root of 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power of half whole raised to the power of 4. So the exponents gets multiplied, so we have 2 raised to the power of half multiplied to 4. So half of 4 will be 2, so that leaves us with 2 squared, so that gives us x equals to 4. So this is going to be the value of x.